Hello. Oh, sorry. My efforts to calm down this shaky thing. Oh, that's not bad. It'll calm down. Anyway, if it is one of those things that I'm going to do is to unsolder some chips, then the board. Oh, man. Sorry, I guess the table is shaking a bit. The board from this pet needs to come out. So there's a combination of screws and little legs that hold the board in. I think there's 4 screws. Oops. But I could be wrong. I just keep looking until I don't see anymore. Alright, I think. Hello. Give me a hard time. I certainly don't want to drop it. Okay. I have 3 screws. Now here, I set aside my documentation thing that I've been doing. And I'm going to unplug the power and the monitor and the keyboard. And I'm looking for another screw. I thought there was 4, but perhaps not. So, I will take my little wee pliers and squeeze the little wee legs here on this little plastic guy, which I think I squeezed the wrong way. Ever so gently squeeze and pull up, and it should pop off. And it did. I'll do the same over here. The same. Okay, now, is something still holding on here? It is possible. It's not good to reef on things. Maybe there's another. I thought there was a screw somewhere, but I don't see one. Alright, what do we got here? Something somewhere. Oh, there's another wee leg. It's hiding behind here. That's right. And it is hard to see where the squeezing part is. Well, I think I've got it. Maybe I do. Maybe I don't. All right. Just a second. Let me get my glasses on here. And I think I will take this light, which is nice and bright, and maybe hang it here and aim it there. I might. I think it's like this. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on, you can do it. give it up. Why is this giving me? It should not be that difficult. Ha ha ha. It's like anything. If you get it just so, it'll come out. Alright, so the removal of the board is done. And now I really need to move the rest of the machine, and the chips I'm interested in are, let's see, this one and this one. So that is what it takes to get the board out of a pet. Keyboard plug, monitor plug, power plug, 3 screws, and 3 little plastic tower holder something things that just need to be squeezed just so. Take your time, don't rush, don't force things, and keep in mind that, you know, there could be some missing, and it could be that some people have put other screws and things in, although usually that doesn't happen with the pet. It usually happens more with the 64 and the Vic. Alright, let the games continue. Signing off from the pet room, David Bradley. Bye for now.